Joining us, I'm Brittany DeFran. Closing arguments in the second-degree murder trial of Shreveport rapper Hurricane Chris began this afternoon. It's our top story this evening. Christopher Dooley was indicted by the Caddo Parish Grand Jury in connection with the murder of 32-year-old Danzeria Ferris Jr. Back in June of 2020, Ferris was shot several times at a Texaco station on Hearn Avenue. Dooley also is charged with illegal possession of a Mercedes, which was one of the elements connected to the slaying. After closing arguments, the jury will deliberate. Fox 33 has a reporter inside the courtroom, and we will bring you updates throughout this evening on air and on KTALnews.com.
Yo, what's going on? Ratchet City News family. Guys, rapper Hurricane Chris trial is moving pretty fast. And guys, just today, closing arguments. And for those of you who aren't very familiar with the court system and closing arguments, guys, it's the lawyer's final opportunity in a trial to tell the judge and or jury why they should win the case. Now, guys, police officers would try and say Hurricane Chris told a different story in court than the story that he told at the exact crime scene on the day of the murder. And Shreveport police would try and paint a picture as the victim was not being aggressive at all towards Hurricane Chris. Hurricane Chris initially told the police that the victim tried to rob him. Video footage did prove that the victim opened the door on a stolen Mercedes that Hurricane Chris was driving, which was reported stolen by his ex-girlfriend after a breakup or a falling out. Guys, video footage would also show Hurricane Chris and the victim having a conversation while the victim was holding a Gatorade and a bag of chips before Hurricane Chris opened fire. And guys, after watching surveillance footage, a couple weeks or a few months after the murder, Hurricane would be indicted.
And just into the KSLA News 12 newsroom, rapper Hurricane Chris, whose real name is Christopher Dooley, has been indicted for second-degree murder of Danzeria Ferris. That shooting happened at the Texaco gas station at Hearn and Hollywood Avenues in June. You can read more about it right now on the KSLA News 12 app.
So guys, fast forward to today, everyone, pause and read. So for those of you who don't know, once you get indicted, guys, the court believes they have enough on you to take this to trial and to basically put you away. And as you guys read, Hurricane Chris shot the victim 6 times as he was getting too close to $10,000 in cash that Hurricane Chris had inside of the vehicle he was driving at the time. Today was closing arguments, guys. A verdict will be out very soon, and guys, we will keep you updated. And also, Ratchet City News, family, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification will drop it like crazy.